Hello students, this is Mr. Boyd. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to get into your Zoom for lessons each day when we're on e-learning virtual school. So the first thing you want to do is log into either Focus. If you open up your Focus and then find the web page. Now mine looks a little different, but you want to find the web page. I think if you click on the class name and then if you click on resources, you'll find the Zoom link this way, or probably what you're going to be more accustomed to is to go ahead and open up Google Classroom. And I'll just open up my first period here. And you'll notice at the top on your Google Classroom, I've actually put the link and the time. However, if you look right down here, I've also included the link. Well, when you click on the link, well, if you use this link up here, you're going to have to copy and paste it into your browser. If you just click on it, it's not going to do anything. When you open the link, you want to click Join from Browser. Don't download because then you're going to have to set up a Zoom account. I mean, you can if you want to, but it's just as easy to click on Join from Browser. You need to type your name in there so that I know who you are. If your name does not match who you are in the class, I will not be permitting you in from the waiting room. You need to make sure that you're joining during class time and not outside of your normal class time, or again, I will not be allowing you in the classroom. Okay, those are two ways that you can join the Zoom meeting. Another way you can join Zoom is if you open up your Office 365 account, and then if you click on Teams, you want to select your team. Again, I'm going to use first period. And then if you look right down here, I've posted a message along with the assignments. I've posted a message right here with the link in it. And again, you can just click on the link. Notice also that I've included the bell schedule for Monday through Friday right here. And if you click on this link, again, it's going to take you out. You're going to want to click join from your browser. Mine looks a little different because I'm the person that's hosting the meeting. So I would click launch meeting. However, you're going to click join from your browser and then again, put your name in there. So I hope this helps you guys figure out how to get into Zoom for your classes Monday and Tuesday.